Need to change this part. Seat cover is gone and like so many parts from inside has to be changed on R5 V3. This is the expressway guys. इधर का पीएम का जैसा है साइन भूटान में వచ్చింది హలం చూసాము ఆఫ్ రోడింగ్ హెల్మెట్ ఓ crashed. So guys, this thing has been damaged, so we need to change this part, okay? And there are a few other things that has to be changed, and even this cover. You can see out here, seat cover is gone, and like so many parts from inside has to be changed on R5 V3. Blue book digo go me. Me to me andisu. India maj insurance ko jones. I'm gonna start the R5 V3. So we're gonna do the servicing of this motorcycle and that one. Few parts has to be changed. I was riding the Himalayan. And it feels really different. Better suspension because it has the telescopic front suspension, but we need to bend down, and I'm feeling different, so I'm gonna take time to get used to with this motorcycle. Guys, we really have to be in this committed riding posture. Let's check in the brakes, because when you ride the motorcycle for the first time, you need to definitely check brakes. तो अभी हम गेलीफू से निकल रहे हैं, ठीक है, टुवर्ड्स यामाहा सर्विस सेंटर, क्योंकि भूटान में सर्विस सेंटर नहीं है. सर नीचे जा रहे हैं. सो अभी दादखरी पहुंच गया है, ठीक है. These guys will never say that they want to come to Bogotá ever again. Do you know why? Because look at the road, man. Earlier the road was like really bad, and here it's really green, you know, less polluted. Like, you know, I'm kind of tired, but because of this road, a little bit I'm getting the energy, and I haven't had breakfast. And you don't want to go that fast as well, because sometimes, you know, the cars just come in from anywhere, so you really need to be really focused. Especially this tempo, you know, small vehicles, they come out of nowhere, like the RKO of Randy Orton in WWE. We stopped here. धुलो है म कस्तो भएको छ भने यहाँ कति बज्नु हेलमेट बोक भाइ यो इन्डिया हो हराउँछ चिया पाउँछ हेरौँ न चाय नहीं रास्ता मिल्ता होगा ना ठीक है अहिले मुनिया छैन रे जे होस् यो बाइकको ब्रेक चाहिँ दामी रहेछ यति दुख्यो पुरा प्रब्लम दि आमची मिन्दु इन्जिन लिजुम्दु Mangi dachiranga ani guni si deva ko boom gati esa an gul of this ko kita me sabri अब त पुग्न आँटे बिस छैन अब अब त्यही हो बिस छैन अब एउटा छ तर त्यो यहाँदेखि त पुगेको जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई यहाँ आइपुग्दाखेरि त चाय एउटा खानुपर्छ चाय मिलेको We just had some tea out here. These guys are getting ready. Okay, here we go. After having some tea at the main highway. And yes, this is the expressway, guys. Now we're about to reach to Champaguri. We're walking outside. ठीक है दादू ओए छपरी हेर्न आज साह्रो भिड भयो त अघि थिएन बजार यो के तल मार्केट लाग्छ आज मार्केट माथि हो मार्केट चाहिँ because of market you know the town is like really packed you keep buying it यहाँ पाउँछ खाना तिमी खायौ हाँ खाने तिमी इधर जा रहे हैं हम खाना खाने के लिए actually we were at the service center so we'll be going to a showroom कहाँनिर भन्छ निकुन भैया से मिल लो most handsome guy बोरपारा बोलता है इसको बोरपारा ओके ओके Guys, let's check in some biking accessories out here at the showroom. Out here. ये जो winter के लिए ना ये if you need any gears you know of the Yamaha motorcycles you have a jacket as well. Pricing is like very cool you know but you can see it out here for winter wear casual ride. Another thing you can see it here. Yamaha gloves no? This प्राइस कैसा है इसका 3100 so price of this glove is like 3100 and you can see it out here it's really comfortable there is some grips and yes it fits me perfectly I don't know what's the size L size fits me perfectly so if you guys need this kind of riding gears accessories anything related to Yamaha you could directly come out here and you can see the price is like reasonable 600 800 1200 yes this is for MT-15 no Yamaha so MT lovers can take these shirts right MT के लिए अच्छा है इधर निकाल सकते हैं अच्छी क्वालिटी का होगा this is really nice you could see like carbon fiber finish out here इसका प्राइस कितना है दादा 2090 ना so I think while coming out here I think this is the most reasonable helmet that I ever seen out here because if you like the look of something like a off-roading helmet yes Yamaha has it out here so yes you have a chain loop out here anything related to like oh अच्छा है tank bag है क्या ये नहीं ना if you look at this liquid cool 4-stroke as well as a 4-valve engine same engine that comes now 155cc but if you look at here horsepower it will get it 15 PS only otherwise in MT there is 18 so it goes around the 8000 RPM and torque also they have brought it down like around 13.9 Nm and this is fuel injected and if I show you this display okay see this it has a very good display clicking his picture Toto bhai just behind showroom half mama bhai yeah thako chu okay dekla awesome na ngachi brother bike gamchi joy bro tiro tatsi matimo tagimo satisfied joyga with the servicing Wait, don't satisfied so guys we just did the you know like walk around review you can watch in my YouTube channel I'm riding this motorcycle just to show in this vlog but if you want to watch the full review I've given it in my YouTube channel yes we're at the Yamaha service center so we did fixed both the motorcycles let's pay okay what was the cost so the brother didn't change much he just changed this front you know like cover and all and on MT-15 also few covers have been changed so price I'll tell you okay cost price and all right now we're gonna go there we'll pay this and then we'll give it to them so here's like the parts accessories part you can get out here there's servicing this is like the Yamaha counter room so these are two of the most handsome guy bro this is your key FZ का ठीक है मोस्ट हैंडसम सर्विसमैन। बताओ कितना हो गया है? कम चाहिए जो बोल रहा है कितना हो गया?
Around 5,600.
ओके
Empty 1,800.
1800 लाऊंगा लाऊंगा। देखो साइन कैसा है इसका, इधर का पीएम का जैसा है साइन। For round 5 he paid 5,500. He is just 1,800. So we've done the servicing, parts changing. भुटान पे వచ్చింది हालम जो हम
10, 11 yung
आमची जो
ano da din lang mo to.
So this part ani के 1500 इच तो बता साइड की आमची प्राइस नहीं। Parts and accessories we purchased this one which cost around 195. दादाजी हाय बोल दीजिए। तो इसका पड़ा हमको 195 शोरूम से जीनियन प्रोडक्ट। तो ये जो FZ250 का ना बैक साइलेंसर कवर एंड वी ब्रॉट दिस बोथ ऑफ दिस लीवर्स, दिस ब्रेक एंड क्लच levers out here, and we have the sensor okay of MG15 V2 that cost around 411 okay out here at the showroom, and this is the price. So this many accessories we're taking this for our friends from this service center. So if you need genuine motorcycle accessories, yes, you can come out here. So this is our bill for the accessories, 961. And this man woke up from a deep sleep after sleeping for 1 hour. 2 hours to 1 hour 1 hour ल ब्रो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम भेट्छ होला सायद भुटान आउँदा भन्नु नि ल युट्युबमा हेर्दै गरेर उसले सब्सक्राइब गर्नु ल अनि अब आएगा तो कॉल करो ठीक है। बाइक हैज़ बिकम रियली नाइस नाउ, एवरीथिंग चेंज्ड। ओ crashed oh god ओ के भएको ओ के भयो अनि के भयो त्यही त म छक्कै पऱ्यो। बाइक गस्ट क्रास होइन त्यो त ब्यान्डै थियो कि खै होइन त्यो धोको पानी हो। यहाँ अलिकति स्क्रच भएछ के भएन यहाँ अलिकति यो भएछ के भएन। अनि यसो अफ गर्नुपर्छ ब्रो पहिला अब मात्रै हुन्छ। कुन चाहिँ हो रहेछ नि ब्यान्ड दियो होला नि हो रहेछ यो ब्यान्ड कति हो यसको? यो गियर चेन्ज गर्न अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ त्यही त के स्क्र्याच भयो नि यहाँ अलिकति होइन पानी त धोको हो नि त बाइक धोको बाइक हुँदैन होला कहिले ये बाइक के पहिला ए ब्यान्ड हो गया धोएर रेडी भएको रहेछ नि त घर जानु रहेछ 105 जस्ट 105 फर दिस फुट रेस। कति ब्यान्ड भएछ यो ओ यति ब्यान्ड भएछ है डाइरेक्ट यसमा भेटेछ नि त। पैसा तो देगा थैंक यू भाई ओके लेट्स गो फ्रॉम द शोरूम। You can see this great clock tower of Bogaygaon, main town of it. कैसा घुसता है यार So we are at this tunnel. Otherwise, we rode few kilometers in a wrong way, but this is the Bangalore road. We came earlier.
मेला है ना, मेला के लिए आपका
नहीं, भूटान का चलेगा?
चलेगा अष्टमी मेला के लिए
मेला को लागि अरे अलिअलि
है ना।
कलेक्शन। हम तो मेला में तो नहीं आता है, तो भूटान दूर से
हम लोग है ना, इसलिए आप लोग
दे रखना था। ठीक है भैया,
ठीक है।
ठीक है। Quite tired. So we need to do CPMS, okay? And once we enter in and exit out, so let's stop there and do the CPMS. Oh my, so much dust. Oh. Ito. Okay, let's stop here, have some refreshment. फेरि जाने दाजु, जोड जोड्न छ
ओए जुम नेक्स्ट टाइम
जोड्न या कदर बाइक लिजु जोइमो अच्छा पार्ट्स तोरो चुनी दो कुगी आछरे कदे बिरो लिजु मेरे हिची केलिफुना दोबा टाइम 10 देछि 8:30 8:10 देछि न जोइ दतो बेदलो बेब्रिश हियर अराउंड 4:53 जुनो दतो. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, take care of yourself, and keep watching, keep supporting.
मैं हमेशा कहता था कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी की हर एक पल का मजा उठाना चाहता हूँ और मैं सोचता हूँ इसी वजह से हम भाई हैं, क्योंकि तुम भी यही सोचते हो.
ये कार तुम्हारे लिए,
मेरे लिए